Not all animals seek solitude. Some prefer to team up and create an army. But when two tribes go to war, keeping together can be the key to survival. Despite their slender frame, African wild dogs are some of the deadliest predators on the continent. In packs of up to 40 strong, they target prey twice their size and kill 4 out of 5. They run down their victims and eat them alive. But get separated from the pack and you risk being left behind. Fights between related packs are rare. But as strangers arrive and threaten the local food supply, he can spark a turf war. These intruders know they're in hostile territory. A 3-dog vanguard keeps tight formation. One breaks ranks and heads straight into an ambush. The home pack charges in at up to 44 miles per hour. The tactic? Scatter the intruders and pick them off one by one. An isolated intruder makes a break for it. What runs into an unexpected water hazard? 5 sets of jaws pin him down like prey. 3 dogs target the head. Pound for pound in African wild dogs, bite is stronger than any other canine on the planet. But even upside down, he can snap back until a local disarms him with a lunge to the neck. Well-developed temporalis and masseter muscles apply nearly twice the pressure of a human bite. The move prevents the straggler bending his neck to deliver a bite. 42 teeth wrapped around his throat. 1-inch canines threaten his jugular. The dog is in the grip of death. But the hound on head duty loses focus. And let's go. The intruder's jaws are back in play. But once again, the terrain slows him down and the mob moves in for the kill. With the intruder dealt with, the pack seeks other targets. This dog has had his day. And the local scavengers won't have long to wait.